Okay, so here we're going to check my 2-foot bucket. This is the bucket I probably put 85% of my hours on this machine with, for a lot of different plumbing digging and a lot of footing stuff too. When you get into hillside custom home retaining walls, because you're digging in so much rock, you don't want to use a 3-foot bucket for those big wide footings. The rock will just destroy it and destroy your coupler, so you use a 2-footer. It works pretty good. But what you got to watch on these Wainroy couplers is they get a lot of wear right in here, just by the nature of the coupler, because they're not a pin grabber, they're just flat surfaces. And if you can see the space, now watch this. This is me pulling the gap out. You end up there with the better part of a good 1/4 inch on this side, and you end up with probably somewhere around the same on this side. Yeah, it's about a 1/4 inch. Now, this coupler's only got about 1,200 hours on it, so it's not really the coupler that's worn, it's the bucket. This bucket's about 20 years old. I don't know how many thousands of miles of ditch it has on it, and it's in really good shape. These are very, very specialized buckets. It cost me about $4 or $5 grand to replace them. So what you do is you weld up the coupler seats to shim them up, and I'm going to show you how we do that. And this is how we make these buckets fit these couplers. We welded one pass in there, and let's see. Oh, it took up almost all the slack on this side. You gotta check both sides. It's almost tight as it can be. Well, good.